culling of birds afflicted with bird flu may be unavoidable, but shouldn't that be done in a humane way? Is it not the moral responsibility of society to show some kindness towards them, at least during their last moments? These are the questions raised by animal lovers and animal activists in Kerala now, as they have come to know that bird flu infected pet birds like hens and ducks are being gruesomely burnt alive in the name of culling as part of the government measure to contain the spread of bird flu. Burning the poultry or wild birds for culling goes against the guidelines issued by the Animal Welfare Board of India. For culling the diseased birds, the board instructs gassing method, which is the quickest method for mass killing of infected birds, the one that inflicts least pain on the hapless beings. The animal activists say. The other day, the bird flu was detected in raised hens and ducks in several parts of Alappuzha. Though this disease spread from birds to birds, till date, no human being is found to have contracted the disease from birds. Still, as a precautionary measure, the State Health Department and Animal Husbandry Department jointly went on a culling spree in areas such as Tagari, Karuvata. About 50,000 birds were burnt alive. These are against Animal Welfare Board of India's guidelines. This is totally inhumane and unlawful. It is condemnable. If they have to cull, they should adopt the gassing method, which is the quickest and the method that gives least possible pain to the birds while being culled. The government should be ready to employ this method, said People for Animals Thiruvananthapuram Chapter Secretary Latha Indira. She added that this cruelty had been brought to the notice of Animal Welfare Board of India's head office and urged the authorities to follow the board's guidelines.
നമ്മളിപ്പം അവരെ കർഷകരൊക്കെ ചിലർ അവരുടെ കൂടെ തന്നെ ആയിരുന്നല്ലോ നോക്കിയെന്ന് അപ്പോൾ അവരെ നമ്മൾ പ്രത്യേക നിരീക്ഷണ കേന്ദ്രത്തിൽ മാറ്റുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ.
ഇല്ല, ഇപ്പം നിലവിൽ അങ്ങനെ ഒരു സംഗതി ഇല്ല.
എന്തെങ്കിലും സിംറ്റംസ് ഉണ്ടായാൽ
മതി. ഇപ്പം അവർക്ക് ആർക്കും സിംറ്റം ഒന്നും ഇല്ല.
ഇപ്പം നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഈ കൊല്ലാൻ വന്ന അവരെ മാത്രമേ നമ്മൾ 7 ദിവസത്തേക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നുള്ളൂ. അവർക്ക് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. അവർക്ക് എവിടെയാണ് നമ്മൾ സൗകര്യം ഒരുക്കുന്നത്?
അത് ശരിക്കും വെറ്റിനറിക്കാരെ അവർ തന്നെയല്ലേ. നമ്മൾ അവരുടെ ബാക്കി കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഫോളോ ചെയ്യും.
ആരോഗ്യപരമായിട്ടുള്ള മേഖലയിലുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ മാത്രമേ
അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ.
നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ എത്ര വീടുകളിലൂടെ സർവേ നടത്തുന്നുണ്ട്?
ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഏകദേശം 250 വീടുകൾ സർവേ ചെയ്തു.
3 കിലോമീറ്റർ കിട്ടും അല്ലേ?
ഇതിൽ ഈ തറാവുള്ള വീടുകളും ഇല്ലാത്ത വീടുകളും എല്ലാം വരും.
Meanwhile, the authorities began steps to cull pet birds in Neendur Panchayat in Kottayam district on Wednesday. The culling is being carried out by 8 rapid action teams formed by Kottayam district collector, additional district magistrate Anil Umman and Animal Husbandry Department district officer in charge Dr. Shaji Panikesheri are overseeing the culling process. The rapid action team has over the past 2 days killed 2,700 ducklings on a farm at Neendur and 300 pet birds in nearby areas. The farmers who had raised the birds all these years emotionally witnessed the culling of birds and burning them off. By the way, a survey is being conducted at Neendur Panchayat under the direction of the Health Department. The officials are visiting houses and collecting details of the poultry and giving house members necessary instructions. This is being done to allay the fears and anxieties over the bird flu that has struck the state amid the COVID pandemic. News Desk, Kaumudi English.